Tired of wrestling with Discord bot tutorials that leave you stuck in dependency hell? Imagine effortlessly spinning up bots with clean command architectures, robust event handlers, and production grade deployments. This skill arms you with virtual environment mastery, async await patterns, cog based modularization, slash command registration, and Docker containerization. Whether you're a Python newbie, a backend dev adding bot skills, or an indie hacker automating server workflows, we've all been there. Let's cut the debugging chaos and build bots that scale. Here's what's inside the Building Discord Bot skill. You'll master environment isolation with Venv, create reusable command modules using cogs, implement slash commands with autocomplete, handle reaction events for interactive bots, and deploy via Docker containers. Dive into API integrations with async HTTP clients, then scale using Redis for persistent storage. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From zero to production ready in one weekend. Installing the Building Discord bot skill takes one command: npx quanta skills add building-discord-bot. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance, pre-built Docker files, and command templates. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows slash command validation, event listener patterns, and production deployment secrets. No more GitHub scavenger hunts. Just type build my bot and watch the magic happen. Ready to stop Googling errors and start shipping bots?